Welcome back to AbemQuiz. Can you name 100 sea animals within just 5 seconds? From easy to impossible. Give it your best shot. Before starting, please subscribe to the AbemQuiz channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go for the easy level. Guess the animal. Jellyfish. Do you recognize this animal? Shrimp. Next animal. Starfish. What is this animal? Lobster. On to the next one. Penguin. Next animal. Squid. Do you recognize this animal? Sea turtle. Guess the animal. Seahorse. Guess the animal. Flying fish. Do you recognize this animal? Dolphin. Guess the animal. Spiny lobster. Do you recognize this animal? Orca. Next animal. Blue-tang. What is this animal? Coral. On to the next one. Albatross. Next animal. Clownfish. Do you recognize this animal? Clam. Guess the animal. Seal. Guess the animal. Crab. Do you recognize this animal? Manta ray. Do you recognize this animal? Great white shark. Guess the animal. Goldfish. What is this animal? Blue whale. Guess the animal. Oyster. Do you recognize this animal? Sea snake. Medium level. Guess the animal. Puffin. Do you recognize this animal? Walrus. Next animal. Anchovy. What is this animal? Swordfish. On to the next one. Barracuda. Next animal. Mussel. Do you recognize this animal? Sardine. Guess the animal. Tuna. Guess the animal. Piranha. Do you recognize this animal? Seagull. Guess the animal. Salmon. Do you recognize this animal? Hermit crab. Next animal. Koi fish. Otter. On to the next one. Octopus. Next animal. Flying gurnard. Do you recognize this animal? Lanternfish. Guess the animal. Leafy sea dragon. Guess the animal. Piranha. Do you recognize this animal? Mackerel. Do you recognize this animal? Sea urchin. Guess the animal. Mahi-mahi. What is this animal? Marlin. Guess the animal. Oyster. Do you recognize this animal? Stingray. Hard level. Guess the animal. Elephant seal. Do you recognize this animal? Neon tetra. Next animal. Sawfish. What is this animal? Sunfish. On to the next one. Catfish. Next animal. Krill. Do you recognize this animal? Anglerfish. Guess the animal. Sea anemone. Guess the animal. Cod. Do you recognize this animal? Pufferfish. Guess the animal. Narwhal. Do you recognize this animal? Zebra shark. Next animal. Whale shark. What is this animal? Yellow tang. On to the next one. Mantis shrimp. Next animal. Razorfish. Do you recognize this animal? Stonefish. Guess the animal. Lionfish. Guess the animal. Tiger shark. Do you recognize this animal? Hammerhead shark. Do you recognize this animal? Sea angel. Guess the animal. Vampire squid. What is this animal? Greenland shark. Guess the animal. Giant isopod. Do you recognize this animal? Wobbegong shark. Impossible level. Guess the animal. Humpback whale. Do you recognize this animal? Morwong. Next animal. Platypus. What is this animal? Electric eel. On to the next one. Barnacle. Next animal. Porpoise. Do you recognize this animal? Sea cucumber. Guess the animal. Moray eel. Guess the animal. Booby. Do you recognize this animal? Brasse. Guess the animal. Lamprey. Do you recognize this animal? Frilled shark. Next animal. Blobfish. What is this animal? Weedy sea dragon. On to the next one. Portuguese man-o-war. Next animal. Grunion. Do you recognize this animal? Minke whale. Guess the animal. Tunicati. Guess the animal. Sea spider. Do you recognize this animal? Dogfish. Do you recognize this animal? Giant oarfish. Guess the animal. Coelacanth. What is this animal? Cowrie. Guess the animal. Stargazer fish. Do you recognize this animal? Nautilus. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe for more exciting quizzes from AbemQuiz.